In this video, we will discuss a question from Makaut question paper 2023-2024 on sequence. The question is, show that xn is a convergent sequence where xn is given here and then find its limit. It is a 5 marks question. So students, how will we start? See, we have to prove that the sequence is a convergent sequence. Then we will just try to find the limit, because we know that if limit of a sequence exists finitely, then the sequence will be a convergent sequence. So here xn is given as 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 square plus dot 1 by 3 to the power n minus 1. So there are n terms present in xn. Now if you look at the given expression, you can see that this is a GP series. Okay, finite GP series. Finite GP series with common ratio is 1/3, and we know a result. That what is the result? I am writing here. The result is the sum of a finite GP series with first term T1 and common ratio R will be T1 into 1 minus R to the power n by 1 minus R when R is less than 1, and T1 into R to the power n minus 1 by R minus 1 when R is greater than 1. So students, you can see from the given expression that this is a finite GP series with common ratio 1/3, which is obviously less than 1. So we will use this result. Okay. So from the given expression, we can write xn equal to, first term is 1. So 1 into 1 minus 1 by 3 to the power n divided by 1 minus 1 by 3, and this is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3 to the power n by 2 by 3. This is equal to 3 by 2 into 1 minus 1 by 3 to the power n. So if we find the limit n tends to infinity xn, we get as this. And this is equal to since limit of a constant value is a constant value, then the value will be this, and this will be okay. We know that limit of R to the power n equal to 0 if mod R less than 1. And using this result, we get from here that this value will be 3 by 2 minus 0. This is equal to 3 by 2. So, the limit of xn is 3 by 2, which is a finite value. Therefore, we can conclude that xn is a convergent sequence and the limit value will be 3 by 2. This will be the answer.